a little lullaby to sing Bella to sleep. Whoa, some keys fell off the piano.
Timon, are you crying?
I'm fine. I just have something in my eye.
Here, blow.
Here, Pumbaa.
Gee, thanks.
Okay, I'm better.
It's time for a musketool.
You know it. Everybody say, "Oh, toodles! Oh, toodles!" Will a glue stick help us put the keys back on the piano? It sure will. We picked all our musketools. Say super cheers! Let's see where this black key goes. There's the number 3 key and the number 5 key. Right! The number 4 key. Where does this key go? There's the number 7 key, and then the number 9 key. Which key is missing? Right! The number 8 key. Where does this key go? There's the number 10 key, and then the number 12 key. Which key is missing? Right, the number 11 key.